So this is the 3D printers making them. So one printer's got 3 on, the other one's got 2. Another one down here in my kitchen. As I've just said today, we've got room for 2 more on the worktop. But I have to get up and come down here and change these over during the night as well. The printer filament I'm using is just a standard PLA, which I've been buying off of Amazon. It seems like there's probably becoming less and less of it, and I've noticed the price has crept up over the last few days. Each one has to be cleaned off. There's only 20-25 of them, so it don't actually take that long. I then wipe them all down with antiseptic and put in a pair of rubber gloves to finish making them up, and then they go in the box. Now assembling them, which is quite difficult with my big hands. As you can see, there's a tiny little slot that holds it in place, and then it clips down. So the whole thing is just one piece of plastic. That's one finished screen apart from the elastic. These are the plastic screens I'm using, which are simply overhead projector transparencies. Lots of schools in the UK over the last few years have stopped using these, but I've got storerooms full of them. I've managed to get hold of 300, and I know I've got access to some more. And there we have it, 20 shields waiting to go out. This is what they look like when they're finished. Hopefully protects our NHS workers. If you're seeing this from anywhere else in the world and you've got a 3D printer, or indeed if you're in the UK, it'd be good if you could start making these until the bigger industries catch up with us.